Hi, I'm Wei Ling. Today's topic is how to find the right online Mandarin tutor dash properly versus independent tutor. Essentially, while looking for the right Mandarin tutor, I don't believe that there's such thing called tutoring site tutors is better than independent tutors and vice versa. But they do have some pros and cons. In this video, I will use properly as an example for tutoring sites. The strong suit of tutoring sites like Probably is you have hundreds of tutors on one side. Save you time looking around. You have various choices of tutors from almost all over the world, and it's easier to broaden listening skills if you try different tutor. But there are two major issues with Probably or other tutoring sites. First, the reviews are inflated because no one wants to leave a negative review as the entire community can see the comment. When I say the entire community, it doesn't only mean those tutors and students. Also, the whole company members like managers, engineers to CEO, they might have their own rule for negative reviews. Second, limited possibilities. If you look on Properly closer, here it says, surprisingly, $17 is the average price for a 60-minute lesson with an online Mandarin Chinese tutor on Properly. What's that mean? That means this website indirectly tells the tutors we prefer this price and tell the students if you see the price is higher than 17, you can consider it's too much. So when you check the filter, you will see the majority of the price of classes is also in this period. Like due to the recording time, there are 2,253 Chinese tutors in total. The price from $1 to $10 is 659 tutors. $11 to $20, 1,139. And $21 to $30, 354 tutors. It leads you might miss this tutor, Karen, from Unconventional Chinese. Her class is $79 per 40-minute private lesson. The price sounds very high, but she used a unique and efficient method to teach called comprehensible input. If you Google the method and her, they both got a lot of positive reviews. So if you only look on tutoring sites, you may miss other greater learning methods and tutors to help you to improve faster. On the other hand, when looking for independent tutors, taking time to do your research is the biggest discouragement. However, like mentioned above, the price of independent tutors doesn't have a ceiling as tutors on tutoring sites. You have a chance to explore, to find a more professional tutor or a tutor is helping in a more specific area like Karen or me. Another big plus if you are looking for independent tutors, you'll find those tutors who see Mandarin teaching as a career, not just a side job to make some extra money. They are usually more willing to share. Take me as an example. I upload videos every week to help you to overcome difficulties related to Mandarin speaking. I have a free trial class you can download. If you sign up for my newsletter, now when I'm recording, you can get the how to empower yourself to speak Mandarin tip. You also can participate in monthly event to level up your Mandarin speaking skills faster. All of this you won't get from most of the tutoring site tutors. Summary: tutoring sites. Pro, save you time looking around. Cons, reviews are inflated and limited possibilities. Independent tutor. Con, takes time to do your research. Pros, broader options, more supports except from the booking classes. Next episode, I'm going to share how to find the right online Mandarin tutor dash. Homework doesn't really matter, but your actions. Final, a question for you. The rest of life, you want to continue learning Mandarin slowly on social media, or you want to improve your Mandarin speaking skills faster and then use it to achieve your dream. To save your time, money, and makes you more money, Weekly Mandarin one-on-one online speaking practice tutoring class is available right now. Free trial class is linked down below. Also, subscribe to my free newsletter. You will get the how to empower yourself to speak Mandarin tip immediately and others weekly. This link is down below as well. I'm Wei Ling. See you in the class.